Hello teacher, my name is Fernando Mesa Gomez. I'm 23 years old, and this is my homework. Okay, let's do this. This is my shop, and its name is Free Shop Purchase. In my shop, there are gaming chairs, PC gamers, gaming keyboards, furniture, beds, sofas, and air condition. Okay, these two gaming chairs cost $125 each unit, and this PC gamer cost $873, and those are my 4 gaming keyboards. Each one cost $127. $70, excuse me, sorry. And in things for home, this is furniture. This cost $178. These are my beds. Each one cost $254. And this is my sofas, and each one costs $50. To end, that is my air conditioning. This cost $321. And okay, this is my homework. Thank you.